Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing another delicious dal recipe, that's Daal Karhai. I have a friend named Lena. We know each other since long through social media, and she shared this and I was like, "Oh, this sounds so good." And I tried to recreate it and it turned out so delicious. So I thought to share this recipe with you guys. So let's go and make it happen. So first I washed and pre-soaked chana dal for at least 1 to 2 hours. Then I'm boiling the dal until they are completely tender. Then in a karhai I am heating up some oil, and then I'm adding some chopped ginger. Since I'm following the karhai recipe, so I'm following all the steps like I do with my karhai. Then I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. I'm using canned tomatoes, but of course you can use fresh tomatoes as well. For mixing for like minute or two, then I'm seasoning it with some salt, red pepper powder, black pepper powder, some coriander powder, and black cumin. Mix everything well with the tomatoes, and now I'll be adding some ginger and garlic, and I'm using freshly grounded ginger and garlic as well. After you add ginger and garlic, just mix everything well for like a couple of minutes, and then I'll be adding some pre-fried onions. By adding the onions, we will create a gravy, and it will turn into a delicious masala. Mix them for like 4 or 5 minutes, and I'm adding some green chilies, and now we have to cook on a slow to medium flame until tomatoes are completely tender and oil separates like so. Then I'm adding that pre-cooked chana dal in this mixture. Then I'm adding the remaining ingredients like green chilies, some sliced ginger, chopped cilantro, and then start mixing with a very light hand. Mix all the masalas with the dal and other ingredients, and then since it doesn't have any liquid, we cooked everything before. So now I'll be adding some water, like half cup to a cup, to create that gravy and the masala. Then on a slow flame, cook until the water comes to a boil and dal absorb all the masalas. Then in the end, I'll be adding some garam masala powder and some dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. Then on a very slow flame, just leave it on dum. And if you want to add some extra garnishes like more green chilies, some more ginger and cilantro, and then your dal is ready to serve. You can serve this dal karhai with some steamed rice or chapati roti, or even with the naan as well. It's a twist on a regular dal, and my family thoroughly enjoyed it. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.